Yay.
Nice gold.
It's your first
Yeto.
ever Diablo game, right?
Yeah, I've never played Diablo before.
How is it so far?
How do you like it so
I
far?
might
Let's
be
go.
I might be addicted to it. Yeah, I'll probably end up doing a 12-hour stream this week.
What?
Yeah, it's
Let's
too fun.
go.
Once you're in the Diablo, you're not getting out.
There's no way back.
You never go back.
I tried to stop playing the game because I had to go do a recording, and I was like, "All right, time to stop." And then I spent like 5 minutes trying to stop playing the game, and I couldn't stop playing the game.
That's what Diablo do to you, right?
Yeah.
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 Diablo.
We're all playing on tier 1, right?
Yeah, I am.
World
Yeah.
1. Okay, I am too.
Tier 1?
Probably Kaela already privately plays the other one, right?
Yeah, seems about right.
Okay.
Wait, what do you mean tier 1?
Finished the whole game, or?
The main campaign, yeah.
Oh, how long did it take you to finish the main campaign?
Oh, I kind of forgot. How long was it, guys? I don't know. Can you help me? Asking for
Kaela
help.
has no feeling of time anymore.
Wait.
3 stream. They say 3 stream.
How
Yeah.
long were they though?
Yeah, 3 stream. How long?
I wanted the game to be longer than that.
Well, you
40
can make
to
it
50.
longer.
40 to 50. Yeah, they say 40 to 50.
Okay.